So here we were trying to change the brakes on this, and we came across a stripped wheel lug stud. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the old one and install the new one right now. So this will be fun. We're going to be changing a lug stud. Well, here's that handy dandy lug stud that no longer has threads on the end. Alright, the verdict is in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to persuade this lug nut out of this hole using a 4-pound sledge. We'll see how that goes. I don't think this is going to be difficult. It's the only way I know how with the tools I got. There we go. Now I just have to find a wheel stud and replace that and the lug nut. Speaking of that, probably ought to find that bad lug nut. I think I found it. Okay, so what we need to do with this new lug stud is we need to get it pushed into this hole from in behind, and then we're going to have to pull it through just as you had seen me drive it out with the 4-pound sledge. So what we're going to have to do is figure out how to get this pulled through. Now, luckily, well, not so luckily, I wanted to show you how to do this without any special tools, but I do have this tool set here. It's a long reach harmonic balancer puller and installer. 27306, and it comes with this device right here, and you can see maybe as we turn, it pivots, or it rotates inside of this bearing, and it just so happens that the threads on this are the same as the threads on the wheel stud. So I'm going to use this to pull this wheel stud through. Right, so we've got our little install tool, 32mm socket. I'll be using the extended reach ratchet to pull this through. So now we just need to get this into that hole. Just like that. We'll thread this on. Okay, so there, I felt it bottom out, and now we just reverse this. So there we go. Alright, so in the description I'll leave a link to a tool similar to this that's made for that. This was super easy. What I thought I was going to be able to do is use the socket, half-inch socket, but this stud was actually too big for that. I'll put a link for the actual tool in the description. Yeah, if this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments as well. But I thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in doing the brakes on your Honda Pilot, I'll have a video up shortly.